What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer or send money from Pakistan to Philippines. So let's get started. Now first off, for you to send some money from Pakistan to Philippines, you would need to have a money transfer service installed. So at the moment the cheapest money transfer service regarding fees is Wise. If you guys also want to use Wise, I will leave my referral link in the description below, and if you use that link to create your account, you will be charged no fees at the first $1,000 that you transfer using Wise. And now let's continue. So once you created your Wise account, just go ahead and open it up. And once you open up your Wise app to send some money from Pakistan to Philippines, all you would need to do is just tap on the send button right here. And then of course the recipient would also need to have Wise installed. So you can search the person that you want to send some funds to by their Wise tag, email, phone number, etc. Now once you found the person that you want to send some funds to, you would need to input their recipient currency. So in my case I can send it in US dollars and then the receiver also get US dollars. But because this is from Pakistan to Philippines, you can also change the sender currency to, let's say, Pakistani rupees, as you can see, and then you can also change the receiver currency to, let's say, Filipino pesos right here. So now you would essentially be sending a Pakistani rupee and it would automatically be converted to Filipino peso. But you can also change this to dollars, euros, or whatever your receiver prefers. But let's say that we want to send 1000 Pakistani rupees and that will be converted to 196 Filipino pesos. So I get this notification right here because I don't have a Pakistani rupee account, but of course for you this would be different. Also, in whichever currency you have your bank account in, it doesn't matter, you would still be able to send that currency to Philippines and then it would be automatically converted. Or even you can just keep everything in dollars. But essentially, once you inputted the sending currency and the receiving currency, you can just click continue. And from there another screen will load on which you will be able to confirm this transaction. So again, if you use the link from the description below, you won't be charged for the first $1,000 in transfers that you make with Wise. Now once you make this transfer, it is instantaneous and the receiver party would be able to see their funds in just a few moments. So essentially, that's guys how you can transfer some cash from Pakistan to Philippines using the Wise app. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.